Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. My name is Rina Amaladitya and my friend
Anissa Dinova from City ARSA Foundation Senior High School.
On this occasion, let's have a little discussion about one of Indonesian problems from year to year, that is poverty.
Talking about poverty, it turns out that Indonesia is ranked as a 7th poorest country in the world with the 4th largest population in the world.
This is definitely not something that can be ignored. Therefore, on this occasion, we raise a research them recording forecasting Indonesia's poverty level and its factors. This research contributes to exciting knowledge by demonstrating the applicability of this method in a socio-economic context, and that this forecasting is expected to provide valuable input for the government in designing future policies to reduce poverty in Indonesia to improve people welfare.
To conduct this research, we use 3 methods, namely MA, SES, and DES with MAPA, MAD, and MSD criteria models, and then decided to use DES because the error rate in the DES model is lower than MA and SES, so it expects that the result given can be more accurate.
After comparing 3 methods, that is MA, SES, and DES, and finding the most suitable method is the DES method, the results show that the graph showed that Indonesian poverty rate tends to decrease in September 2023 from 25.9 million people to 25.56 million people. This prediction is reinforced by BPS data that saw a decline in the poverty rate in Indonesia in September 2023 to 1.79% from 2.04%. Then from this research, we also get result in the form of factor that influence the level Indonesian poverty, that is the first, high birth rates. It is necessary to conduct a strong counseling campaign to increase public awareness about the importance of family planning. And then the second one is high number of unemployed. This can be addressed by increasing investment in training and skill development for productive age and individual to improve their competitiveness in the job market. And the third one is low level of education. This can be overcome by developing a curriculum that is relevant to labor market needs as well as intensive program to encourage children to stay in school and reduce school dropout. And then the last one in an equal distribution of income. If there is infrastructure that can connect remote areas with market and other resources, this can be resolved. In this result, just 4 variables that affect poverty in Indonesia. However, in addition to these factors, there are still many other factors that influence, but they are not explained in this research. That can be explained more in the future research.
So, from the research we have done, it can be concluded that the DES method is the most suitable method for forecasting poverty compared to MA and SES, which result in the prediction of poverty in September 2023 will decrease to around 25.56 million people. But there are not only 3 methods, there are many other methods that can be used to get accurate result. And there are several factors that influence poverty. The factors such as the high birth rate, the high number of unemployment, the lack of love for education, and income inequality. Actually, there are not only these 4 factors, there are still other factors that can be studied in further research. The hope of this research is to assist the government in making more appropriate economic policies.
Okay, for the last step is the reference that we use for making the research. We use a reference about poverty, of course, that we search from 2018 until 2023. And you can use this reference to make the similar research for the future.
So that's all from us. Thank you.